Greetings everyone. Today we are going to do the important questions and answers of the poem The Ball Poem, which is from your book First Flight, and the name of the poet is John Berryman. So the types of questions which are asked from this poem are multiple choice questions, means they will be in the extract form. Extract will be given to you and you will be supposed to answer on the basis of that. And these questions will be in MCQs form and 1 mark each. Next type will be of short answer type questions, 2 or 3 marks question, and you will be answering these in 30 to 40 words में आप इसको answer करेंगे. Now before we begin with the questions, let us have a quick summary of this poem, that what this poem is about. So John Berryman in this poem has explained the situation of a boy who has lost his ball, जिसने कि अपनी ball खो दी है, एक छोटा बच्चा है. The poet has talked about him. So the poet says, what is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is the situation of the boy who has just lost his ball? What is he to do? Now what the boy is going to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street and then no use to say, oh, there are other balls. Poet कहता है कि I saw this ball merrily. Merrily means happy. Happily bouncing means jumping down the street and then डाउन द स्ट्रीट मैंने बॉल को जंप करते हुए हैप्पीली जाते हुए देखा एंड देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ टेलिंग दैट ओ देयर आर अदर बॉल्स की बाकी भी बॉल्स हैं तुम्हारे पास. देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ टेलिंग दिस. व्हाई? बिकॉज एन अल्टीमेट शेकिंग ग्रीफ फिक्सेस द बॉय. दिस टाइम द बॉय इज हैविंग एन अल्टीमेट ग्रीफ. उसके पास एक बहुत बड़ा दुख है और उस दुख का रीजन क्या है? लूजिंग अ बॉल, वन ऑफ हिज फेवरेट बॉल्स. As he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. वो क्या कर रहा है? He is standing rigid. The boy is trembling also and he's staring down at the ball, his all young days into the harbor. जो कि हार्बर में गई. यहाँ बॉल young days means जो memories associated थी उस बॉल के साथ, all those memories also went into the harbor where his ball went, जहाँ पे वो बॉल गई. I would not intrude him. The poet is watching this. He says, but I will not go and intrude. I will not interfere that boy at this situation. And he's giving a logic here also. He says, a dime, another ball is worthless. At this stage of life, at this point of time, it is useless to offer him a dime, means money, or a new ball. Okay, it is useless. Why? He is telling here that this is the time the boy learns his first responsibility. अपनी लाइफ का वो पहला responsibility का lesson इससे सीखेगा. सो ये यूजलेस है कि मैं जाके उसे इंट्रूड करूं एंड आई कंसोल हिम बाय गिविंग हिम सम मनी और बाय गिविंग हिम अनदर बॉल. Then he says, in a world of possessions. In a world of possession here means the world that is materialistic. Materialistic means we all human beings keep on thinking and collecting materialistic things. हम possess करते रहते हैं हमेशा नई चीजें अपनी लाइफ में. People will take balls. Balls will be lost always. Poet says in this materialistic world where people keep on collecting things, obviously people will buy the ball and the balls will be lost also. So hey, same thing has happened to this little boy and no one buys a ball back. Here no one buys a ball back means कि लोग चीजें तो नई ले लेते हैं बट जो इमोशंस जुड़े थे पुरानी चीज से जो या तो खो गई या अब यूज में नहीं है, that emotions cannot be bought back. Money is external. Money cannot give you internal happiness. Money only provides you external happiness. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. क्या सीख रहा है वो बच्चा? He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. His sad eyes के पीछे वो क्या सीख रहा है? The epistemology of loss, the mechanism of loss, how to recover from a loss in our life, how to stand up, knowing that every man must one day know and most know many days how to stand up. वो सीख रहा है जो बहुत से लोगों को आता है और बहुत से लोग अभी नहीं जानते हैं. दिस बॉय इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग अ लेसन दैट कि मेनी डेज इन कमिंग डेज ऑफ हिज लाइफ वेन एवर ही विल बी गोइंग थ्रू सम लॉस, how to stand up, how to recover from that. So the question which is asked, first question which is we have here is, why does the poet say I would not intrude on him? Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? So answer to this question will be that the poet here is not intruding because he wants the boy to learn a real life lesson. And what is that? That is recovering the loss. That is, has to learn and accept the loss. The boy, बच्चे को क्या सीखना भी? How to accept loss. Loss of an important thing or relation. और ये loss क्या हो सकता है? It can be of any important thing also, or it can be of any human relation also. ये दोनों तरह का loss हो सकता है, and that is very very important for all of us to learn. Second question is, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went, do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? ये है first part question का. Is it linked to the memories of days when he played with it? Explain. Okay, दो part हैं इस question के. तो answer will be that the boy had the ball for a very long time. Okay, क्यों? Because this is described in the line itself. जैसे क्या है यहाँ पे? All his young days. All his young days means all his childhood which he spent with this ball, his emotions. Recalls the days when he played with it, and even poet recalls the days also when he played with it in the same line. Young days, जब वो इससे खेलता था बॉल से. Must be linked to some sweet memories. Then obviously if the boy used to play with this, so it must be associated with some sweet memory. Third question है, what does in the world of possessions mean? This I explained you in the poem also. World is full of materialistic things. ये है इसका meaning, that in the world of possessions means world is full of materialistic things and human being want to possess luxuries and comforts every day. Fourth question, do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Pick out the words that suggest the answer. So हमें क्या पता चल रहा है? Because उसने पहले कुछ नहीं खोया है. क्यों नहीं खोया है? इसका प्रूफ क्या है? That we can see in the poem itself. The poet is telling he will be learning his first responsibility. तो obviously जब उसकी life की ये first responsibility है, तो it shows that this boy has not lost anything before. Number 5, what does the boy say? What does the poet say? The boy is learning from the loss of the ball. Try to explain this in your own world. Okay, why? How is this boy learning this? So what is he learning? First thing is that he is learning the real truth of life. क्या है वो? That we have to learn to move in life despite of heavy losses. Heavy losses के अलावा heavy losses हो जाते हैं हमारे साथ. Then also we have to move on. Life goes on. Everyone has to face loss of something or someone. ये loss चीज़ों का भी होता है और relations का भी होता है. Something or someone. Sometimes this loss is of friends, family members, parents, grandparents, any loss it can be. And the poet also is telling here that accepting our losses makes us strong. हमें loss accept करने की अगर हमें capability आ जाती है तो this thing makes us strong. That was all for this poem. Thank you everyone.